understand it. I'm your M. And Alpha. You know I mean Alpha. What do you mean? You know? What's the meaning of Alpha? And how's your day? Today I just want to talk with you. Hope you understand. Because my English is not perfect, but I try my best to talk with you. It's always very busy. I just don't work and work and work and work. This time I'm at my room and I just decided to make video for you. Hope you enjoy it. You see, my feet are feeling relaxing. And tell me in comments, how's your day? It's hard or it's amazing? Tell me. And I see your positive response are coming from your top. I enjoy it. Guys, show some love on videos. And tell me in comments, where are you watching from my videos? Which country are you watching from? And you enjoy it or not? And if you have any video ideas, then you say comment. And if you want any custom videos, then you can DM me on Telegram or Instagram. I will answer you. If you have any question, then I will answer you. I decided to make long videos, but I think you people don't watch full videos. The reason I don't make a long video, just 2 to 3 minute video, I make it. If you show some love response and positive response, then I will make long videos like 10 to 15 minute video. I make it, okay? If you watch full videos, like and comment, then I will make a long video for you. Okay guys, now take care of yourself.